Today we are going to make very easy homemade garlic bread. For this recipe we need these ingredients. First we need to stir yeast with some sugar and warm milk and let it rise around 5 minutes. After that, in a large bowl, combine flour, salt, remaining milk and sugar, melted butter, egg and prepared yeast. Transfer the dough onto a flat board and knead it until softened by using your hands. You will have to knead it around 10 minutes. When the dough is ready, cover it and let it rise until double-sized. This might take 1.5 hours to 2 hours depending on the climate you live. Now let's make the garlic butter spread. In a small bowl, mix butter, chopped spring onion, garlic and salt as per your taste. Now our dough is ready to use. Flat the dough like this by using your hands. After that, mark lines with a knife, but make sure you don't separate the dough from these lines. Then we need to spread prepared garlic butter paste and put cheese on marked lines. Finally, sprinkle some black pepper on top and bake the bread around 20 to 25 minutes under 200 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. For a better taste, you need to serve it hot. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon with another delicious recipe.